Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Practical Spoken English by RVS. To learn in this video how to speak in English during a parent teacher meeting in a school of your child. Before we come to the topic, friends, I want to say something. That is, I will keep on speaking minimum Hindi in my videos, as I have already told you in my previous videos. I don't want to translate my English into Hindi, because if I go on translating English into Hindi, as per my experience as a Hindi medium student, it will be very difficult for you to learn how to speak spoken English fluently. The reason is that whenever you will try to speak English, your mind will start translating Hindi into English, English into Hindi, and this translation business will stop you, prohibit you, deter you, means रोक देगा in speaking yourself in English. And by the time you translate the things, the time will pass and you will start sweating, आप पसीना आने लगेगा. Therefore, we have no option but to speak only English, listen only English, read only English while we are practicing this spoken English. Friends, second thing that I want to tell you, so that when I am speaking English you could understand, it is very essential that you listen to my all videos previously uploaded from learning video 1 to 15. The link of the playlist is given in the description box. See, it is not an entertainment channel, it is not a cooking channel or any other channel. It is an educational channel in pure sense. Here, if you are here in this channel, you are listening to me, then the only reason is that you want to speak English fluently and you want to learn this skill. And therefore you have to be a student. You have to learn the basic structures of sentences in English, that is in present tense, past tense, future tense, and learn the skill of using phrases for which I have already uploaded videos. And whatever you listen, whatever you read, whatever you come to know, you have to note down in a notebook as a student and revise them, practice them again and again. And that is the only way, when you become serious as a student in an educational channel, you can learn something. But if you don't learn, and if I go on translating English into Hindi in every video, then what will happen? You will end up seeing all the videos, but you won't be fluent in speaking English, or for that matter any language. Therefore, friends, before seeing this video you should see all my previously uploaded videos. Here and there I will explain the meaning of English sometimes, but I have decided not to translate English into Hindi in my videos, because if I go on doing that, that business will go on and the purpose will be defeated. The purpose is to make you learn a spoken English. With this, I want to come back to the topic of this video. The topic is how to speak English in a parent-teacher meeting when you go to the school of your child. Let us assume that the teacher whom you are going to meet is a lady teacher and your child is a girl child. When you come face to face to the teacher, the first thing that you have to do is greet her, to greet her. If it is the time before 12 o'clock in the noon, you will say, "Good morning, ma'am." And if it is after 12 o'clock in the noon, you will say, "Good afternoon, ma'am." Then the teacher may tell you, "Please be seated," or "Please take your seat," and you will sit down and say, "Thank you, ma'am." Thereafter, the conversation, that means the talk with the teacher, will begin. You may start the talk or the conversation, बातचीत. "Ma'am, please tell me about the progress of my child." She may tell you that your child is very good, performing very well. She is very good in all subjects except mathematics. This is an example only. Except in mathematics, where she needs some extra care. Then you may ask, "Ma'am, what do you suggest to make her good in mathematics also?" She may advise you that you may engage a tutor at home for mathematics for a few months at least, so that she becomes better in mathematics also. Then you may ask the teacher, "Ma'am, can you suggest the name of any good mathematics teacher for that purpose?" She may tell you, "No, I won't suggest any name, but you may ask other parents who might have engaged a mathematics teacher, and accordingly, यानी उसके अनुसार you may also engage a mathematics tutor at home. That will be very good for your child. In other subjects, she doesn't need any tutor because she is already very good." Then you may say, "Thank you, ma'am. Can you tell the overall behavior of my child in the class?" The teacher may tell you that yes, your child is very well disciplined, well mannered, and she doesn't create any nuisance in the class. I am very happy with the behavior of your child. You may tell the teacher, "Thanks, ma'am. I am very happy with this compliment about my child. Now, can you tell me, ma'am, how she is doing in a sports?" The teacher may tell you that your child is very keen in a sports also. She is taking part in most of the sports, but I will mention that she is very, very good in table tennis, and we are trying to pay more attention to her for table tennis so that she can become more and more better. Then you may again thank the teacher. Thank you, ma'am, and I hope she will do much better in table tennis, and I am confident you will keep taking care of her. Thereafter you may ask, ma'am, can you tell me about other extracurricular activities about my child? The teacher may tell you that yes, whenever there is a program or function in the school, your child is always willing to take part, and she is very eager about that, and she takes part in almost all extracurricular activities, and she is doing well in that field also. Then you can again thank the teacher. Thank you, ma'am. I am very happy to listen to all these compliments, and I hope my child will keep on progressing under the supervision of this school and particularly your good self. With this, the parent-teacher meeting may come to an end, and you may tell the teacher, ma'am, I know that you are very busy today. I would like to take leave now. Then she may tell you, yes, thank you very much for coming to the parent-teacher meet. And you can also thank the teacher. Thank you, ma'am, for all the informations about my child that you shared with me. And in this way, the parent-teacher meeting comes to an end. Dear friends, the basic thing is that as a student, every word, everything that I have tried in my previous 15 videos to teach you or to share with you, you have to learn. Once you learn all these things, and particularly my learning video number 1, in which I had discussed basic tips which you should follow for learning spoken English. If you follow those tips, then anywhere you go, whether it is a restaurant, an airport, a school, or a market, you can speak English as I am at least speaking. Because I have told in my first video, that was an introduction, that I am also a product of Hindi medium system of education, and I studied up to 12th class in Hindi medium, everything, and I did engineering thereafter, and it was very difficult for a long time to speak English. Thereafter, without grammar, I have come to this stage, whatever it is. I don't say that I speak very good, but I can manage the things, okay? At least this much you can speak, and I think in India it is not bad. You can manage everything in English with this much. When I can do, I am more than confident that you can also do. And I am sharing with you in all my videos only those things which I followed to learn spoken English. And you should also follow them. You are not required to learn grammar in depth. The only thing is revise, memorize, and practice every bit of information again and again, and very soon you will be able to speak English fluently. Thank you, friends, and if you liked my video, you please touch the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notifications thereof immediately. And you may share this video with your friends also, so that they are also benefited. See you in next video. All the best. Thank you.